In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my favorite highlighters, like my all-time top 5 favorite highlighters. So I'm going to start out with my oldest favorite, which is Opal. I love Opal. I can wear it with so many different looks. Like if I ever need something to lean on and I don't know which one, I just always go to Opal. Opal, it's very, very pretty. It's definitely more on the golden side, but it's not too golden, and that's why I like it, because I know that I can wear it with a lot of different looks. My next favorite is a new favorite, which is Amrezy from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This one is so pretty. Now Amrezy actually, I feel like, put on everyone to Opal, which was the first one. So when she made this one, I know she made it based off of a lot of her favorites. So this one, it reminds me of Opal. This one definitely glows a lot more. That's what I'm wearing on my cheeks today. This one is so pretty. I did a whole video on it. If you guys want to check it out, I did a review on it about a month ago. My next favorite is actually in an eyeshadow palette, and this is the Carli Bybel palette. I know she made another one. She made a bigger one, and I think these are also in the new one, I think. But my favorite ones have to be these two right here, the pinkier shade, and then this one. These are so pretty, especially for the summer. Anytime I'm wearing like a pinkier look, like whenever I wear the Modern Renaissance palette, I always go towards this eyeshadow or this highlighter right here. I love wearing this one on my cheeks. These I like wearing as eyeshadows because they're a little bit darker for my skin tone, but this one's also really pretty as well. But this is from the Carli Bybel palette. This is the first one. You can't buy this one, but she has a second one which is much larger. So if you want to check it out, I'll leave a link below. You can, I'm pretty sure you can find it at Ulta. My next favorite is actually a palette. In this highlighter palette, you get 6 of them, but my favorite out of all of them is Forever Lit, because I wear this as a topper. Suppose I just want like more highlighter, more glow, I put this on top of whatever highlight that I'm wearing, and it's gorgeous. It really makes it pop. Forever Lit is also a really good inner corner highlight. That's like my go-to inner corner highlight right there. Kitty Cat and Daydream. I also like when I'm wearing those peachier tones, or suppose I'm not wearing like any makeup, or like I just want more of a natural look. Kitty Cat and Daydream, I don't know, they're just much more, they remind me of the summer. Forever Lit and Glow Getter, I tend to mix those two together. Those are really pretty. 143 I don't really wear so much. My last favorite would have to be So Hollywood, also from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This one's definitely one of my favorites. I have to be really in the mood though to wear this one, but I still love it. It's still one of my go-tos. That's why it's in my top 5. Very pretty, and it's more on the golden side. So those are all my top 5 favorite highlighters. If you guys want to see my top 5 favorite eyeshadows, top 5 favorite blushes, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so that way you guys are notified. Sorry, I'm losing my voice. So that way you guys are notified when those videos go up. So I'll see you guys in my next video.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah.